Hello everyone, I'm the principal engineer of Nuvoton technology, Morgan. The development board we are using today is Nuvoton's NuMaker-IoT-M487. It's powered by the NuMaker-M487 microcontroller with ARM Cortex-M4 core, built-in RJ45 Ethernet and Wi-Fi module, allowing users to connect to clouds by wire or wirelessly. It supports several autos, including ARM Mbed OS, Amazon FreeRTOS, and OS things. Today, I will show you how to use Mbed OS on the NuMaker-IoT-M487 development board. First, open Chrome browser, enter the URL os.mbed.com to register an account if you don't have one. Move the mouse cursor to the human icon in the upper right corner, then click Login or Sign Up, or click Sign Up for free directly. Then click Sign Up. Fill in your email address and relevant information, and finally, click Sign Up. Check your mailbox to receive the certification letter and authorize it. Then, let's log in to use the online compiler environment. Move the mouse cursor to the human icon in the upper right corner and click Login or Sign Up. And enter your account and password. After a successful login, you will return to the first page and then click Compiler on the left side of the human icon. It will lead us to the online compiler web page. The following demonstration is all operated on this page. Click No Device Selected in the upper right corner to add and select Nuvoton's NuMaker-IoT-M487 development board. It opens the Select a Platform page. We click the button Show Add Board with green plus in the lower left corner. Next, it shows the page Let's choose a board. Scroll down to find NuMaker-IoT-M487 and click it. It opens the NuMaker-IoT-M487 board page. Scroll down the page to find the button Add to your Mbed compiler and click it. Then click Compiler on the top of the page to return to the online compiler environment. If the NuMaker-IoT-M487 small icon appears in the upper right corner, you can start to import a sample code. Otherwise, click No Device Selected again. At this time, you can see the NuMaker-IoT-M487 icon already in the Selected Platform dialog box. Click the icon and select it, and then click Select Platform in the upper right corner. It returns to the online compiler page, and the NuMaker-IoT-M487 icon shows in the top right corner. You can now start to import a sample code. First, click New on the top left side. A small Create New Program dialog box appears. The platform selects NuMaker-IoT-M487 automatically. In the template field, please select Mbed OS Blinky LED Hello World example code and click OK. You can see the sample project has been loaded on the page. Click main.cpp to show the source code. Let's add a printf function to print out a string in the main program. Check if statements are correct, save it, and click Compile to build the code. Now it's compiling. Let's wait for a moment. And you can see a lot of message at the bottom of the page. The last message is success. The browser will download the binary firmware file directly after a successful compiling. It will be saved in the default download folder or any folder based on your browser setting. In Chrome, you can click Download File and select Show in Folder. Then we need to connect the NuMaker-IoT-M487 USB port to your computer and make sure the onboard LED lights up. Let's head back to the download folder where you can see the binary firmware file. Drag and drop the file to NuMicro-MCU drive. You will see the copying progress dialog box. After the copy is complete, the firmware starts to execute. One LCD on board starts blinking. To see the printout message, go on the following steps. Please find the virtual COM port assigned for NuMaker-IoT-M487 in Device Manager. In the demonstration, the new link virtual COM port is COM4. To use your terminal tool of choice, here we use PuTTY. Open the COM4 port. With 9600 baud rate, 8 bits, 1 stop bit, non-parity, and no flow control. You can see Hello World printed in the terminal. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more information, please contact us at salessupport@nuvoton.com.